Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be checking out a 200 watt flexible solar panel from MHPOWOS. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what all is inside. Alright, the first thing you'll see is a small user's manual. It's also, the packaging is also encased in like this styrofoam. Alright, well here is what the solar panel looks like out of the box. You can see that it has the MC4 connections right here, right on the front of the panel. And then it also has grommet connections, like grommet holes. Looks like 4 on each side. When I measure this thing out, it is 54 inches in length. And roughly it is about 31 inches wide. And of course it's paper thin because it's flexible. Let's see how flexible it really is. I mean, yeah, this is like, yeah, I can almost roll this thing up. So of course you don't want to fold them like paper. They're not like that at all, but they can be applied to a lot of different surfaces that are round, which is nice. When it comes to the open voltage and max output, everything like that, this again is a 200 watt panel. It is open voltage at 38 volts, give or take 5 volts. And the short circuit amperage is 6 amps, give or take 5%. And I'm sorry, it says 38 volts open circuit. It says open voltage 38 volts, give or take 5%, not 5 volts. Maximum output is 3.24 volts, give or take 5%. And the maximum output current is 5.4 amps, give or take 5%. It says the maximum system voltage is 120 volts. So that's probably as many as you can string together in series. So it looks like you can only string about 4 of these in series maximum. I would say probably 3, but you might be able to get away with 4. And it says that the efficiency is 23 to 25%. And this solar panel is IP68 rated. And the net weight is 3 kilograms or 6.6 pounds. All right, so I want to go ahead and take this thing outside and I want to see how close to 200 watts we can get in really nice sunshine. All right, well, I've got this solar panel outside and it's pretty much a cloudless sky, but it's a little hazy, so we're not getting the perfect sunlight. But we have this panel laying flat on the ground, and you can see that we're getting about 132 watts out of this 200 watt panel. Now, for these flexible panels, I feel like that's pretty good for our sky conditions. Now, if I raise it up maybe a tiny bit, you can see now that we're getting 142 watts, and it looks like that's probably about as high as we're gonna go. So we were getting over 140 watts from this 200 watt panel with it, basically just laying on the ground, maybe raised up a little bit. But the best part about these panels is that they're flexible. And so you can put them on, the top of a car, the top of an RV, something more rounded, and that's where they really shine. You can't put a rigid panel like that because they'll break and crack and they'll just not fit correctly. So if you have any questions about this 200 watt panel from MHPOWOS, please go ahead and leave them in the comments. I'll have a link to this item in my description, just in case you want to look further into it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and have a great day. Bye-bye.